Want to fund your BingX account with crypto? The good news is that depositing crypto on BingX in 2026 only takes a few minutes, but sending it to the wrong network could mean losing your funds permanently. Open the BingX platform and log into your account. Next, go to Assets and select Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. BingX will then show your deposit address and available network options, such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. This step is extremely important. Make sure the network you choose on BingX matches the network you're sending from. If they don't match, your funds could be lost. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code. Then complete the transfer from your wallet or another exchange. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, your funds will appear in your BingX account automatically. Processing time depends on network congestion and the cryptocurrency you're using. And that's how you deposit crypto on BingX in 2026. Always double check the wallet address and network before sending your funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.